Want to edit the footer on your WordPress site using Elementor? In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can customize it exactly the way you want. Meanwhile, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now start by opening your browser and logging into your WordPress admin panel. From the left-hand menu, go to Templates, and then Saved Templates. Once you're there, click on the Published tab to view all the templates currently live on your site. At the top, you'll see a Footer tab. Click it to see which template is being used. You'll also see where it's applied, like Entire Site, and when it was published. To start editing, hit the Edit with Elementor button next to the footer template. This opens up the Elementor editor. You can click on any part of the footer to change it, or drag new widgets from the left panel. Want to add text? Just drag in the Text Editor widget and type whatever you want in the left-hand editor. To add a button, click the plus icon in the top left. Drag the button widget into the footer and change the label in the text field, like changing Click Here to Contact. For the link, click the Dynamic Tags icon in the link field and then select Internal URL. Click again to open the settings for it. Set the type to Content and type Contact in the search box to link it properly. Need to change some more existing info, like a WhatsApp number? Just click on the number in the footer, hit the pencil icon, and update the title under the Content tab. You'll also see the Icon section, where you can confirm or swap the WhatsApp logo. Once you're done editing, click the arrow next to the Publish button, go to Display Conditions, and make sure it's set to Include and Entire Site. Hit Save and Close, then click Publish. Now, click the hamburger menu at the top left and select Exit to WordPress. Head to your site's front end, scroll down, and check out your updated footer. Your new button, text, and contact info should all be live. So, like this, are you also up for designing like a pro? Elementor is my go-to tool, and you can try it out using the affiliate link below to get started right away. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.